Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angel guidance message at last regarding the situation. So let us pick the cards for the daily reading, guys. King of Wands. The Tower of Cups. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are stepping into something new, something good is happening. You're overcoming your past childhood traumas, some past memories regarding your ex, some kind of negative situations, and you are those negative energies are ending, and you are what to say. Uh, Seeing some new opportunities, maybe some new person in your life. You feel you're very much attracted to, maybe someone very honest, trustworthy, whom you can rely on. So that is the energy here, guys. You are moving into some kind of new development, maybe some person new, maybe some place new, or you are in a emotionally happy place within yourself. You may be trying some new ideas in your work, maybe that may also be the energy here. And you are enjoying yourself, guys. The past is slowly vanishing. The things that you were really worried of before, it is all leaving you, guys. You're overcoming all those negative energies, and that is the energy here, guys. Let me pick out few more cards from the other deck. It will give us a better clarity, guys. Let's see what is coming up. Let, just like the I said, guys, it is the same kind of energy. Some new announcement is coming, maybe from your person. Somebody new is maybe coming into your life. They're coming to propose to you, and you are ending all that harsh negative past you had, the negative thoughts you had regarding some past situation, and you're moving into your new relationship. um, you are feeling very secure, safe, and very much attracted, and you feel intimate with this person. You're feeling you're moving into some kind of what to say, um, happy energy, guys, today. So that is a reading, guys. So you're in ending something from the past, you're ending all the negativities, and you're moving forward with your life. You are feeling very inspired, harmonious, happy, and very compatible in this relationship. That is the energy here, guys. Maybe your person is coming with the announcement. Maybe they want to get engaged to you. They want to get married to you. Something of that sort, Scorpios. So let's pick few cards from the angel deck, guys. Let's see what the angels are guiding us with. Angel card, love, Another angel card, guys. So Scorpios, today with these cards I feel you should be able to be, what to say, focus on what you need in life, about the things you need in life, and get a clarity regarding that situation. So whatever you want to manifest, whatever things you need to keep a focus on that. So when you do that, you will your situation will get clarity, guys. So, and you have to give up all your preconceived notions, okay, whatever you had within yourself, and you must be able to be quiet and reflect within yourself and get your intuitive decisions, okay, regarding any situation. So whatever it is, you just have to be quiet and let your inner voice speak to you, okay. So your gut feeling will tell you what you should do in any situation, guys. And we must be kind and compassionate to the people around us, guys, and respect them for what they are, however they are. So when we are open to communication, when we communicate freely and listen to them whatever they say, uh, and accept the things about them, we just, what to say, begin to heal our wounds, and we heal the person in the situation, and we bring happiness and harmony in our life, guys. So we should be more open to the person and to open ourselves first, okay. We should be open to compassion and kindness. That is the energy here, Scorpios. So thanks for watching, guys. That is the reading for today. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.